Hey, welcome back. Hey, I just was sitting here doing some things. I lever bled the brakes on my Axum. The rear was getting a little cushy, had a little bit of air in it. Did that, but then was sitting here and spun the front tire on my Truval. I was sitting on the stand, and I just mounted the Goodyears with the sealant. And you know the front wheel spins like no tomorrow on that thing. So then I went ahead and picked up the front tire on my Axum and spun it. Well, the caliper itself was rubbing a little bit. The pads were rubbing a little bit. So I went ahead and loosened up the caliper, squeezed the brake, tightened it, cured that. Then I got to checking, and the one on my Giant was the same way. And the one on my Alumacomp was rubbing too. Hadn't checked them for quite a while. You know, it's quite a bit of drag when you're riding the bike when a pad is just, you know, dragging along there on the rotor. And I noticed that my Axum's always been my go-to as far as rolls really easy. The tires roll fast. They're Schwalbe Tough Toms. But it's always been one that really takes the least effort moving down the road. And I noticed lately I've been kind of, you know, feeling like either I'm tired or something, you know, hitting a little bit of a wall riding it. And today I did a bunch of dirt and mud and everything else, and was actually a lot of fun on it. But just checking it tonight, I had to recenter 3 of 4 of my bikes to get them not to rub. So if you're experiencing, you know, that same type of thing that I was, you know, take a minute. You know, it only takes a second or two to break those 2 bolts loose and, you know, grab your brake handle and clamp down and retighten those bolts. And now they all spin like, you know, they're supposed to. They just roll like no problem. But anyway, I just thought I'd pass it on. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. Get out there and ride your bike, doggone it. That's what this is all about. Anyway, we'll talk to you later.